workshop was a real treat for me after a long period of working like endless hours and having a goal and doing the things that I wanted to do. And now when I'm nearly reached the goal, now it was time to stop and think about where I am, where the business is, and where do we go from here. The content is so amazing that it makes you stop and really see things differently that you don't usually do when you're at the office or working normal routines, your daily tasks. My expectations were quite high, but I think it exceeded my expectations. We came up with some real good discussions and some really good findings and topics. Even really challenging issues and experiences can be shared in this group. It's been valuable to stop, to take a pause and really reflect on the experiences and the learnings and kind of envision the future and see the possibilities that lie ahead, what's important and what's less important. The impact would be that I now know how I'm going to proceed. I know what I need to do, what I prioritize, what I don't want to do, what I will avoid. I don't necessarily have the answers to all my questions. They are still there, but at least I have some clarity and peace, and I'm at ease with myself about my case. I would recommend it for every leader who has busy daily routines or big targets, to the leadership teams, groups, management groups, and even organizations going through transformations.